This is the UniWigs Upgrade Courtney topper. She has a 7 by 8 inch base and a monofilament top. I've added just a little powder along that part line to help it look more like scalp. This color is 223R Mousse Brown and is 18 inches. The monofilament top can be parted anywhere in the 4x4 area. There are 4 pressure-sensitive clips to help hold her secure. I've been wearing it pulled back in a claw clip, so her curls could use some restyling. With 100% human hair, she can be straightened or curled. This piece is Burmese hair, so when it is washed and air dried, it has a natural wave to it. At 130% density, Courtney has a lot of hair, so one of my favorite ways to wear her is actually in a half-up hairdo. It kind of helps take some of the bulk away from around my face and put it more towards the back. I just have a few curls that I need to fix and a little bit of UniWigs hair fibers to help blend that part line. And I'm ready to go.